Friends, welcome you in my channel Tales of Flora, and today I have come with different plant, and that is plumeria, which we call as champa also in India, and its different name like frangipani. So let's we start with some key points. So my first key point: origin and distribution. Plumeria is native to tropical and subtropical regions. It, it has been widely cultivated in different parts of the world, including America, Asia, Africa, and the Pacific Islands. So, at the next point, I would like to explain, and that is appearance. Plumeria plants are small tree or shrubs that can reach heights of 20 to 25 feet in the wild. They have thick succulent branches with large leathery and glossy leaves arranged in spiral at the tips of the branches. The most distinctive feature of the plumerias is its stunning, often multicolored, fragrant flowers. So, my next key point is flowers. Plumeria flowers come in a variety of colors, including white, yellow, pink, and red, and they often have a combination of these hues. The flowers are typically five petaled and have a waxy texture. They are known for their sweet, intense fragrance, which is especially prominent in the evenings. So, my next key point is fragrance. The fragrance of plumeria flowers is used to make perfumes, lotions, and other scented products. In some cultures, plumeria flowers are associated with love, devotion, and spirituality. So, the next key point is cultural significance. Plumeria flowers hold cultural and symbolic meanings in various societies. They are often used in religious ceremonies, lays, and other traditional ceremonies. So, at the next point, which is propagation, plumerias are commonly propagated from stem cuttings. Once a healthy cutting is taken and allowed to dry, it can be planted in well draining soil. Plumerias are also sometimes grown from seeds, although this method is less common due to the slower growth rate and variability in flower colors. So, at the seventh number, my point is growing conditions. Plumerias thrive in full sunlight and require well draining soil. They are relatively drought tolerant but should be watered regularly, especially during their active growing season. They are sensitive to cold temperature and need protection from frost. So at the 8th number, the point is pruning. Pruning plumeria can help shape the plant and encourage branching. It's typically done in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. So at the ninth number, my key point is pest and diseases. Plumerias can be susceptible to pests like mealybugs and spider mites. Overwatering and poor drainage can lead to root rot. Regular inspection and proper care can help prevent these issues. So, at the 10th number, my point is varieties. There are many plumeria cultivars available, each with its unique flower color, shape, and fragrance. Some popular cultivars, including Singapore Dwarf Deciduous, Caladine, and Aztec Gold, among others. So, at the next point, I'd like to tell you something about its care and its specialty. So, at the first point of care is sunlight. Plumerias thrives in full sunlight, requires at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily for optimal growth and flowering. And the second number is soil. Well draining soil is crucial to prevent root rot. Use a cactus mix or create a mix with sand, perlite, and potting soil for good drainage. And at the third number, I'd like to explain about watering. Water plumerias thoroughly when the top inch of soil is dry during active growth, spring and summer. Water more frequently and reduce watering during the dormant period, fall and winter. So at the fourth number, I'd like to tell you something about its fertilization process. Feed plumerias with a balanced water soluble fertilizer during the growing season in spring or summer every 2 to 4 weeks. A high phosphorus fertilizer can encourage flowering. So at the fifth number, its care is pruning. Prune plumerias in late winter or early spring to encourage branching and shape the plant. Remove any dead or diseased branches. Pest and disease. Watch for pests like mealybugs, spider mites, and aphids. Treat with insecticidal soap or neem oil if infestation occur. Maintain proper air circulation to prevent fungal disease in soil. So at the seventh number, I'd like to tell you something about its care is temperature. Plumerias are sensitive to cold temperature and should be protected from frost. They prefer temperature above 50 degree Fahrenheit or 60 degrees centigrade. So at the eighth number, my point is potting. Plumerias can be grown in containers, making them suitable for patios and indoor cultivation in cooler climates. Report every 2 to 3 years for refresh the soil and provide space for growth and adding new soil combination with proper nutrition, proper elements. If I will have to tell something about its speciality, and that is fragrance, cultural significance, lace and garland making, variety, propagation, drought tolerance, landscape accent, and that's all. Thank you so much. If you like my video, then must share your experience going through it. Okay, so bye bye. See you in next video.